Welcome to the setup video of the 1for-all 14542 ultra-thin antenna. This video will explain how to position and set up your new antenna. First, connect the included power adapter into any standard 120 volts wall outlet. After this, reconnect the micro USB connector at the other end to the power inserter. The small red power LED on the side of the amplifier will light up. Connect the coaxial cable attached to the power inserter to the antenna-in connector at the back of the TV or set-top box. Position the antenna as high as possible, close to or in a window and facing the direction of the TV towers for best reception. If you are not sure in which direction your TV towers are, please check channelchecker.com and it will tell you in 3 simple steps. This antenna can be installed wall-mounted or flat. When mounting to a wall, please use the included adhesives. For this video, we will install it lying flat. Now you can perform a channel scan on your TV. Set the tuner mode of the TV to antenna first, then choose channel scan. With other TVs, this may be called auto program, auto tuning, auto scan or channel search in the setup menu of your TV. If the number of channels or the quality is poor, please change the antenna's position and repeat all steps. You can move the antenna closer to a window or rotate it on its original position. Remember to re-scan on your TV after you move the antenna. With these few simple steps, you have just installed the 1for-all 14542 ultra-thin antenna. Happy viewing!